Hello guys, and welcome to Math Made Easy with Mr. T. Welcome! Hello guys, today we are going to make finding x and y intercepts easy. Okay, so our objective, I can find x and y intercepts. Okay, our objective, I can find x and y intercepts. Let's do this. Again, we are going to find the x and y intercepts. Let's have number 1. 2x minus 4y equals 4. Okay, so this is the given. You're going to find the x and y intercept of 2x minus 4y equals 4. How are we going to do it? It's easy. First, let's write y-intercept and x-intercept. Just like that, okay? Then, let x equal 0. Okay, so far, so easy, right? Then, we just copy the given. 2x minus 4y equals 4. What's the next step? It's easy. We are going to substitute x, okay, to 0. Okay, and it will look like this. See, 2, instead of x, we made it 0 minus 4y equals 4. Just like that. Okay, super easy, right? We just substitute x to 0. Okay, then it became 0 minus 4y equals 4. Why? Because we multiplied 2 times 0, and that will give us 0. So the fourth step, or the fourth process, it became 0 minus 4y equals 4. Okay, and what are we going to do? Always remember, when you add 0, subtract 0, it's nothing. So we just simply cancel it out. Okay, so what will happen? We have negative 4y equals 4. See? So just like that. Okay, then the next thing that you're going to do, you're going to isolate the variable y. Okay, how are you going to do that? By removing any number near the variable. Variable here is the letter y. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Simply divide negative 4. Always remember, when you divide on the left side, you also do that on the right side. Okay, the equal sign separates the left side and the right side. Okay, so just like that, negative 4y divided by negative 4. Okay, so that will cancel negative 4, leaving our y isolated. So let's copy y and the equal sign, and the answer 4 divided by negative 4, the answer is negative 1. Just like that. So if our x is 0, our y is negative 1. See? So let's go to x-intercept. Okay, so let x, or let y equals 0. Okay, we're looking for x-intercept, so we're gonna change y into 0. Okay, so 2x minus 4y equals 4. That is the given, right? We just copy it. Okay, easy. Then look what happened. It became 2x minus 4 times 0 equals 4. We just substitute y to 0, just like that. Okay, easy. Okay, so what is the next step? Look, 2x minus 0 equals 4. Why? Because 4 times 0 is 0. And another easy step is when you subtract nothing, okay, nothing will change. If you add nothing, nothing will change. It will not change anything. Okay, for example, I give you 0 flowers. So I didn't give you anything. Okay, you lost $0. You didn't lost anything. Okay, so what will happen to 2x minus 0 equals 4? It will become, we just cancel it. Okay, it will become 2x equals 4, just like that. And again, our goal is to isolate the variable x. How are we going to do that? By eliminating, removing any number near it, and that number is 2. So we're going to remove that by dividing. Okay, so we're going to divide 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side. Again, the equal sign separates the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation. Okay, so 2x divided by 2, that will cancel 2, leaving x isolated, and bring down the equal sign. Then 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2, just like that. So if the y is 0, our x is 2. You got it, just like that. Let's have another example. Again, our objective, I can find x and y intercepts. Let's do this. Let's find the x and y intercepts. And this is the given. 4y plus 5x equals 2y minus 3x plus 16. Okay, don't be afraid. Even it's too long, you make it easy, okay? That's why we have Math Made Easy with Mr. T. How are we going to do that? First, let's write y-intercept. The other one, the x-intercept, okay? So let x equals 0. Then let's copy the given. 4y plus 5x equals 2y minus 3x plus 16. Just like that, okay? The next step is like this. 4y plus 5, 0 equals 2y minus 3 times 0 plus 16. Okay? What did we do? We just simply change x to 0. Just like that. See? Instead of 5x, it became 5 times 0. Instead of 3x, it became 3 times 0. Just like that. Okay, so what will happen? It became 4y plus 0 equals 2y minus 0 plus 16. See? We just multiply 5 times 0, we have 0. 3 times 0, we have 0. Okay, so we have now 4y plus 0 equals 2y minus 0 plus 16. Okay, and if you have 0, you add nothing, you subtract nothing, we simply cross it out, cancel it. Okay, so then copy the remaining variables or numbers. Okay, so we have 4y equals 2y plus 16. See? Easy. You can do it. Then the next step is we subtract 2y, okay, or we add negative 2y to both sides. Okay, why? We do that so that we can cancel 2y. Okay, so when we cancel 2y, okay, on the right side, look what will happen on the left side. 4y plus negative 2y, the answer is 2y equals, just bring down 16. Okay, just like that, don't be confused. 2y equals 16. Okay, again, our goal is to isolate the variable so that you'll get the answer. So there is still a number on the left side of y. So how are we going to do that? We are going to divide 2. Okay, when you divide 2 on the left side, you also do that on the right side. Okay, don't forget that the equal sign separates the left side and the right side of the equation. And when you do that, you just simply cancel 2. That will bring down, or that will isolate y, so we can just bring down y, the equal sign, and 16 divided by 2, 8. Just like that. You got it. So if our x is 0, our y is 8. You got it. Now let's go to x-intercept. Okay, again, this time let y equals 0. Okay, last time we used let x equals 0. This time we're going to use let y equals 0. Okay, then copy the given. 4y plus 5x equals 2y minus 3x plus 16. Easy, right? Then the next thing that will happen, we are just going to change y into 0. Okay, so it became 4 times 0 plus 5x equals 2 times 0 minus 3x plus 16. Okay, nothing hard in there, right? It's easy, right? We just substitute y to 0. Just like that. Then, let's try to solve it. So, 4 times 0, the answer is 0. Okay, just copy plus 5x equals 2 times 0, the answer is 0. Then copy minus 3x plus 16. See? It's easy if you are following the process. Again, when you add or subtract 0, the answer is the same. Okay? So whatever number it is. So we can just simply cross it out. Cancel it out. Okay? Just like what we're doing here. So the next step we have, okay, 5x equals negative 3x plus 16. Okay, so we have 5x equals negative 3x plus 16. Okay, the next step that we're going to do, we're going to add 3x. Okay, let's add 3x. If you add 3x on the left side, or on the right side, I mean, do that also in the left side so that the equation is balanced. So when you do that, it cancels negative 3x. Okay, leaving us with 8x equals 16. Okay, why? Because we add 5x plus 3x, and the answer is 8x. And we just simply bring down 16. See, just like that. We're not yet done. We need to isolate x. How? By dividing 8, okay, on both sides. See? 8x divided by 8. Again, when you divide 8 on the left side, do that on the right side. Okay? So 16 divided by 8, the answer, it cancels 8, leaving x isolated. Okay? Just copy the equal sign, and the answer to 16 divided by 8, which is 2. You got it. Just like that. So, when our y is equal to 0, our x is 2. You got it. Let's have additional practice. Again, our objective, I can find x and y intercepts. Let's do this. Let's find the x and y intercepts. And this is the given. Negative 3y equals 6x minus 9. Negative 3y equals 6x minus 9. Again, we need to write y-intercept and x-intercept. Let's start with y-intercept. Let x equals 0. And then we just copy the given. Negative 3y equals 6x minus 9. Easy, right? Then the next step, negative 3y equals 6 times 0 minus 9. Easy, right? We just change x to 0. We just substitute x to 0, just like that. Okay? Then let's solve it. Negative 3y equals 0 minus 9. Why? Because 6 times 0 is 0. Okay. Again, anything you add, if you add 0, the answer is the same to any number. Okay? So, instead of adding 0 or subtracting 0, we just simply cancel it. Like that. Okay? So, we're just going to write the remaining number and variable. Okay? We have negative 3y equals negative 9. Whoops! We haven't isolated the variable yet, or the y. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide negative 3. Okay? If we divide negative 3 on the left side, we should do that also on the right side. Okay? That cancels negative 3, leaving y isolated. Why? just copy or bring down the equal sign, and the answer, negative 3 or negative 9, I mean, divided by negative 3, the answer is 3. Just like that. Okay? So, if your x is 0, your y is 3. You got it. Now, let's go to y equals 0, or the x-intercept, I mean. So, let y equals 0. Negative 3y equals 6x minus 9. Okay, we just copy the given. Okay, then look what will happen. Boom! It became negative 3 times 0 equals 6x minus 9. What did we do? We just substitute y to 0. Okay, so let's continue. Negative 3 times 0, the answer is 0 equals 6x minus 9. Again, our goal here is to isolate x. Okay, so first let's remove negative 9 by adding positive 9. Okay, when you add 9 on the right side, do that also on the left side so that the equation is balanced. Okay, so we do this, we cancel negative 9, leaving as 6x equals 9. Okay, then we have still 6. What are we going to do? Divide 6 on both sides. Just like that. Okay, then we can cancel now 6, leaving us x isolated. Then our answer, x equals 9 over 6, or x equals 3 over 2, or 3 halves. Again, if our y is 0, our x is 3 over 2, or 9 over 6. You got it. Just like that. Now, it's time to test your skills. Our objective, I can find x and y intercepts. You can do this. You can bring out a paper and a pencil. Okay, you may write the following. Don't answer it yet. Number 1. 4y plus 4x equals 2y minus 2x plus 4. 4y plus 4x equals 2y minus 2x plus 4. Number 2. 4y minus 8x equals 24. 4y minus 8x equals 24. Number 3. Negative 2y equals 4x minus 12. Negative 2y equals 4x minus 12. Number 4. 12x plus 5y equals 60. 12x plus 5y equals 60. And number 5. Negative 4x equals 4y minus 16. Negative 4x equals 4y minus 16. If you need more time, you can pause this video. For more Math Made Easy videos with Mr. T, you can visit my channel www.youtube.com Jason Timtiman playlist. See you there! Thanks for watching. Always remember, stay safe and healthy.